1.4 Section Exercises. 1. Verbal. 1. Evaluate the following statement. The degree of a polynomial in standard form is the exponent of the leading term. Explain why the statement is true or false. 2. Many times, multiplying two binomials with two variables results in a trinomial. This is not the case when there is a difference of two squares. Explain why the product in this case is also a binomial. 3. You can multiply polynomials with any number of terms and any number of variables using 4 basic steps over and over until you reach the expanded polynomial. What are the 4 steps? 4. State whether the following statement is true and explain why or why not. A trinomial is always a higher degree than a monomial. 2. Algebraic. For the following exercises, identify the degree of the polynomial. 5. 7x minus 2x squared plus 13. 6. 14 m cubed plus m squared minus 16 m plus 8. 7. Negative 625 a to the power of 8 plus 16b to the power of 4. 8. 200p minus 30p squared m plus 40 m cubed. 9. X squared plus 4x plus 4. 10. 6y to the 4th power minus y to the 5th power plus 3y minus 4. For the following exercises, find the sum or difference. 11. Open parenthesis, 12x squared plus 3x, closed parenthesis, minus, open parenthesis, 8x squared minus 19, closed parenthesis. 12. Open parenthesis, 4z to the power of 3, plus 8z squared, minus, z, closed parenthesis, plus, open parenthesis, negative 2z squared, plus z, plus 6, closed parenthesis. 13. Open parenthesis, 6w squared, plus 24w, plus 24, closed parenthesis, minus, open parenthesis, 3w squared, minus, 6w, plus 3, closed parenthesis. 14. Open parenthesis, 7a cubed, plus 6a squared, minus, 4a, minus, 13, closed parenthesis, plus, open parenthesis, negative 3a, cubed, minus, 4a squared, plus 6a, plus 17, closed parenthesis. 15. Open parenthesis, 11b to the power of 4, minus, 6b cubed, plus 18b squared, minus, 4b, plus 8, closed parenthesis, minus, open parenthesis, 3b cubed, plus 6b squared, plus 3b, closed parenthesis. 16. Open parenthesis, 49p squared, minus, 25, closed parenthesis, plus, open parenthesis, 16p to the power of 4, minus, 32p squared, plus 16, closed parenthesis. For the following exercises, find the product. 17. Open parenthesis, 4x, plus 2, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 6x, minus, 4, closed parenthesis. 18. Open parenthesis, 14c squared, plus 4c, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 2c squared, minus, 3c, closed parenthesis. 19. Open parenthesis, 6b squared, minus, 6, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 4b squared, minus, 4, closed parenthesis. 20. Open parenthesis, 3d, minus, 5, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 2d, plus 9, closed parenthesis. 21. Open parenthesis, 9v, minus, 11, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 11, v, minus, 9, closed parenthesis. 22. Open parenthesis, 4t to the power of 4, plus 7t, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, negative 3t squared, plus 4, closed parenthesis. 23. Open parenthesis, 8n, minus, 4, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, n squared, plus 9, closed parenthesis. For the following exercises, expand the binomial. 24, open parenthesis, 4x, plus 5, closed parenthesis, all squared. 25, open parenthesis, 3y, minus, 7, closed parenthesis, all squared. 26, open parenthesis, 12, minus, 4x, closed parenthesis, all squared. 27, open parenthesis, 4p, plus 9, closed parenthesis, all squared. 28, open parenthesis, 2m, minus, 3, closed parenthesis, all squared. 29, open parenthesis, 3y, minus, 6, closed parenthesis, all squared. 30, open parenthesis, 9b, plus 1, closed parenthesis, all squared. For the following exercises, multiply the binomials. 31, open parenthesis, 4c, plus 1, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 4c, minus, 1, closed parenthesis. 32, open parenthesis, 9a, minus, 4, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 9a, plus 4, closed parenthesis. 33, open parenthesis, 15n, minus, 6, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 15n, plus 6, closed parenthesis. 34, open parenthesis, 25b, plus 2, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 25b, minus, 2, closed parenthesis. 35, open parenthesis, 4, plus 4m, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 4, minus, 4m, closed parenthesis. 36, open parenthesis, 14p, plus 7, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 14p, minus, 7, closed parenthesis. 37, open parenthesis, 11q, minus, 10, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 11q, plus 10, closed parenthesis. For the following exercises, multiply the polynomials. 38, open parenthesis, 2x squared, plus 2x, plus 1, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 4x, minus, 1, closed parenthesis. 39, open parenthesis, 4t squared, plus t, minus, 7, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 4t squared, minus, 1, closed parenthesis. 40, open parenthesis, x, minus, 1, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, x squared, minus, 2x, plus 1, closed parenthesis. 41, open parenthesis, y, minus, 2, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, y squared, minus, 4y, minus, 9, closed parenthesis. 42, open parenthesis, 6k, minus, 5, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 6k squared, plus 5k, minus, 1, closed parenthesis. 43, open parenthesis, 3p squared, plus 2p, minus, 10, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, p, minus, 1, closed parenthesis. 44, open parenthesis, 4m, minus, 13, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 2m, squared, minus, 7m, plus 9, closed parenthesis. 45, open parenthesis, a, plus b, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, a, minus, b, closed parenthesis. 46, open parenthesis, 4x, minus, 6y, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 6x, minus, 4y, closed parenthesis. 47, open parenthesis, 4t, minus, 5u, closed parenthesis, all squared. 48, open parenthesis, 9m plus 4n minus 1 closed parenthesis multiplied by open parenthesis 2m plus 8 closed parenthesis. 49 open parenthesis 4t minus x closed parenthesis multiplied by open parenthesis t minus x plus 1 closed parenthesis. 50 open parenthesis b squared minus 1 closed parenthesis multiplied by open parenthesis a squared plus 2a b plus b squared closed parenthesis. 51 open parenthesis 4r minus d closed parenthesis multiplied by open parenthesis 6r plus 7d closed parenthesis. 52 open parenthesis x plus y closed parenthesis multiplied by open parenthesis x squared minus x y plus y squared closed parenthesis. 3. Real-world applications. 53. A developer wants to purchase a plot of land to build a house. The area of the plot can be described by the following expression. Open parenthesis 4x plus 1 closed parenthesis multiplied by open parenthesis 8x minus 3 closed parenthesis where x is measured in meters. Multiply the binomials to find the area of the plot in standard form. 54. A prospective buyer wants to know how much grain a specific silo can hold. The area of the floor of the silo is open parenthesis 2x plus 9 closed parenthesis all squared. The height of the silo is 10x plus 10, where x is measured in feet. Expand the square and multiply by the height to find the expression that shows how much grain the silo can hold. 4. Extensions. For the following exercises, perform the given operations. 55. Open parenthesis 4t minus 7 closed parenthesis all squared multiplied by open parenthesis 2t plus 1 closed parenthesis minus open parenthesis 4t squared plus 2t plus 11 closed parenthesis. 56. Open parenthesis 3b plus 6 closed parenthesis multiplied by open parenthesis 3b minus 6 closed parenthesis multiplied by open parenthesis 9b squared minus 36 closed parenthesis. 57. Open parenthesis a squared plus 4a c plus 4c squared closed parenthesis multiplied by open parenthesis a squared minus 4c squared closed parenthesis.